it's Walmart month. Hallelujah, it's Walmart month. Amen. I'm gonna go out to let myself get absolutely fabulous.
It's hard to believe that we're already on week 2 of Walmart month. Holy moly. If y'all happen to miss last week's launch video, I'll have it linked right up here in the card somewhere. Talk about a fun video to film. I talked extensively about beautiful jewel tone goodies to be had. This week, however, we are turning up the cozy factor. I'm thinking plush, touchable, scrumptious fabrics that just want to make you curl up in a ball on your sofa with a blanket and a cup of hot chocolate and watch your favorite movie. I don't want to hear nothing from nobody. My show is on. We're also going to be mixing in some warm, inviting scents and fragrances to kind of round out that full-on fall experience. Yes, indeed. I love this time of year. But first, I want to share what might be my favorite sweater dress of all time in all the land, and it's from Free Assembly, which just so happens to be the same brand that was the fan favorite dress boot combination in last week's video. This dress, however, is a very thick knit as opposed to a thinner cotton from last week's video, so warmth and style are definitely on the menu. And this comes in 4 different color varieties. So it comes in black, it comes in cream, it comes in a heathered green, but it also comes in this gorgeous heathered oat, which y'all know I had to get. It reminds me very much of like a spiced chai latte. It's really something special and it feels very high end, almost kind of reminiscent of old school Ralph Lauren or Donna Karan when they used to kind of rule the world back in the day, probably in the 90s, but it's got that like modern sophistication DNA. I'm 5'10" and it falls about mid-thigh on me, which I have to say is a little too bare-legged for my comfort. That's just for me personally. But with some opaque tights or some over-the-knee boots or even a combination of the two, this is getting me where I live. Before I depart your company, I just wanted to share with y'all what it looks like with fishnet tights instead of opaque tights. And these are from the brand No Boundaries. And let me tell you, they are horrible quality. So I'm not telling you to go out and get these, but they're really cute. So if you have fishnet stockings in your closet or have an idea of a better brand, definitely get these because you're gonna feel like Tina Turner. Also, if you're interested in some micro suede chunky heeled pumps, these are from Dream Pair. I'm gonna have them linked below. Super easy to walk in, very comfortable. I could walk around, I could dance, I could sing. I can't sing. I'm stroking to the east, and I'm stroking to the west, and I'm stroking to the woman that I love best. Get you a pair. I think it ties this whole outfit in perfectly. Okay, so fall decor and fragrances kind of go hand in hand in my opinion. Like when I'm decorating my house for fall with pumpkins and leaves and all those kind of autumnal things, I don't want a beachy kind of a sunscreeny smell wafting through the house. You know what I'm saying? It just doesn't go with the jive of the atmosphere. So here lately, I've been hearing these rumblings of a brand new brand called Lifelines. And supposedly they create these like sensory immersive stress relieving products. I need that desperately. And so I bought some. This is what it looks like, and this is a gem, y'all. Oh my goodness. So this is a flameless rechargeable candle diffuser that uses no water. It's very clean. It only uses essential oils from botanicals, so it has no carcinogens, no petroleum-based products, no preservatives, no phthalates, no nothing. I just have to share with y'all the best part. So you take the lid off, and the light immediately comes on, and then after a couple of seconds, it releases this fresh, fragrant vapor that just encapsulates the whole entire room. Can you see that? And it has a wonderful throw. And then after like 30 minutes or whatever, if you don't want it on anymore, you walk up to it and then it goes off. Oh my gosh, it's witchcraft. Or alternatively, if you don't want to blow it out, you can just snuff it out. What is this sorcery? The scent plug fits right there at the bottom, so you could just pop it out and then pop in a different one if you want to. It's really easy. And then each one of these is supposed to last like up to 200 hours. So that's a good long while. Now there's a ton of different color varieties out there when it comes to these candles. I decided to get mine in green, which came pre-packaged with the bergamot and grapefruit essential oil, which is perfectly fine, but it's not very fall-like. So I decided to get the multi-pack of these clickable refills, and it comes in 4 different fragrances. The grapefruit and bergamot is really nice, but it's just giving like the slightest bit of toilet bowl cleaner. And if y'all been watching my channel for a while, I'm not about that life. The Fresher Fields is my absolute favorite, like pears, currant, beautifulness. It fills up a room and it just is intoxicating. I love it. What an innovation. Joyspun for me can be very hit or miss. Like every once in a while, I'll enjoy some of their underwear or maybe some of their bralettes. But besides that, it is just slim pickings, or so I thought. That was until I found this magnificent plush robe. I can't even begin to tell y'all how soft and squishy and marshmallowy goodness that this robe actually is. I picked it up in a size 3X because I wanted it to be a little bit more oversized, and it just engulfs my whole entire body. Now, this is made of 100% polyester, which I think is perfectly acceptable when it comes to outerwear and robes and those types of things. But when it comes to pajamas, that just ain't gonna happen. Like my perimenopausal ass already wakes up hot, kicking, and pissed off. That's why I can't ever find Joyspun pajamas, is because they're all made of this polyester, recycled polyester mess. And then I wake up in a very bad mood when I sleep in it. So Walmart, for the love of all things good and holy, please bring back cotton pajamas, like good quality cotton pajamas for your sweatier demographic. Remember back in the day when you'd shop for clothes at Walmart and just be a little bit embarrassed, like the 90s, maybe the early 2000s, the faded glory white stag days? Well, gone are those, because I feel like I'm Millie in this robe. I feel like $1,000,000, y'all. It's so plush, it's luxurious, it's so well made. It has bows. I mean, hello. I love this. I debated on this one or the leopard print, and of course the bows had to win. The bows won out. If you enjoy watching football games outside, or having like family movie night outside, or if you've been like me and you've been absolutely bedridden with the crud for the last week, then you may really enjoy this little mini movie projector. I actually bought this one off the Walmart.com website, and I didn't realize it until I was like formulating links for today's video that is from a vendor and not actually from Walmart. So unfortunately, the returns are not free, but I found the exact same one available on Amazon. So if you buy it and you don't like it for some reason, or you just have to return it, at least it's free, you know what I'm saying? But it comes with every single thing you're gonna need. So it comes with a power source, and it comes with a remote control, but it has a lot of capabilities. It has an HDMI port, it has a USB port. So if you want to hook up an external hard drive, a Fire Stick, a Roku, an external speaker, you could do that with ease. It's Bluetooth compatible too, and I've been wearing it with wireless headphones so I could rewatch Pride and Prejudice for like the millionth time. It has streaming services like YouTube, Netflix. It has an app store so you can download Amazon Prime, and you can watch Amazon Prime shows. That's how I'm watching Pride and Prejudice right now. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. In fact, when I first got this, like the fact that I couldn't adjust the keystone, which is like the squarity of the picture, drove me actually insane. They do have that on an upgraded version, which is $20 more. But since I bought it on Walmart.com and I can't return it for free, I'm just gonna deal with it. Like it's fine. It does what it's supposed to do. But there's also a lot to be desired when it comes to the audio quality. Like it doesn't sound good at all. An external speaker, if you're watching it outside, is a necessity.
Perhaps it's best I can overlook had not your pride be hurt by my honesty and admitting scruples about our relationship. Could you expect me to rejoice in the inferiority of your circumstances?
And those are the words of a gentleman.
But it's $50 though, as compared to ones that are hundreds upon hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars for projectors. This one actually really held its own, and I didn't have that much of a problem with it. I stress tested it to the end of its life. I'm telling you, I watched probably 4 or 5 movies back to back, and it didn't overheat, it didn't lag. And I did have one issue when I paused it for too long, it shut off. For $50, I'm really impressed. The quality is good, the sound quality is not. get you some external headphones, and you're good to go. Okay, so finally I have an outfit that kind of airs on the edge of athleisure. At least I think it does. It's a dress from the brand AVIA, and I wouldn't say that I would wear this to work out in. I definitely wouldn't wear it to the gym. First of all, I paired this Terra Sky Duster cardigan over it in this gorgeous heathered green color. And listen, I live in the South, and probably for the next 3 months, we're gonna have all 4 seasons in one day. So we're gonna wake up freezing and then end the day scorching. But you know, I like to have something over my bare arms anyway, and this fit the bill perfectly. It's gorgeous, the quality is fantastic, and it fits like a dream. The dress too, though, is actually really nice. I kind of feel like I lucked out in that way because it's a forgiving fabric. It's a little thicker, a little kind of a scuba-like, if you know what I'm talking about. I picked it up in a size 22 because I find that AVIA, especially when it comes to their bottoms, are really inconsistently sized, and I'm glad that I did because it fits perfectly. It fits like a glove, a little oversized at the bottom, but that's exactly the vibe that I'm looking for when it comes to this aesthetic. Let me go get my belt and my cardigan really quick. Hold on. I really like how this whole outfit came together, and I have to say it was a trust the process type of moment because here you are. It's an athleisure dress with a duster style cardigan, with a belt, with leopard print shoes. I mean, come on. Some things just don't go together, but then they go together. Super wear to work appropriate style outfit. I can see myself wearing this to the office, as a teacher, any sort of career where I need to be covered up, but I wanna be pulled together. I wanna be stylish. I wanna be sexy. And I mean, you know, peep the boots. I got my cat coming out. I talked about these boots extensively in last week's video. They're from the brand Scoop. I think I paid $52 for them. I'm not really sure, but they have a kitten heel. So easy to walk in, and they come in a multitude of colors. So pick your poison. I think these are probably one of the best purchases of Walmart month. Not even kidding. Well, this and then this little buddy right here. This has been gracing my presence all stinking morning since I've been doing my try on haul. It smells so good in here. And as always, I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box below. So yeah, that's gonna do it for week 2 of Walmart month. I hope y'all found this video helpful, enjoyable, and a little bit informative, maybe a little entertaining. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And they're supposed to have like a little hype button somewhere down there. I don't know exactly what it's supposed to do for my channel, but it's supposed to do something positive. I don't know yet. So if you can click it, that would be wonderful. And yeah, I really appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy in this wild, crazy, weird world that we're living in, y'all. I'm telling you, it's bizarre. And I'm gonna be seeing y'all very, very soon.
Supersonic, idiotic, disconnected, not respected. Who would ever really want to go and top that? Such a waste of pretty face, but hanging in your nose space. I wish that you would take a look and really stop that. Top that. Well, stop that. I don't really give a about trying to talk.